Hello guys, how are you doing? How are you holding up? And we are almost that close to the end of 2020. Thank you, Jesus and George Carlin. I'm ready for it to be over. Uh, Now I'm gonna be taking the next 4 days off. I have some things I need to do around here. I have summer fans that we use all summer long, so we don't have to use the AC as much. They need to be cleaned, prepped, stored. Windows need to be cleaned. Um, Also, I have some reorganizing I need to do. Yeah, I've said before, organizing is a never-ending task. Another thing on my new agenda is Antonia has one wisdom tooth that's in with three right behind it. So yeah, we got to go take care of that tomorrow. Start the procedures for getting those dealt with. Yay, teen years. You remember those? Vaguely. I'm also going to set the November menu around that. So I don't want to do anything spicy that may bother her teeth, may bother her gums. So keeping that in mind. I'm also going to take inventory of pint jars for hello blueberry pie filling. I got 4 bags last night at Walmart. Now you seen the result yesterday of the canning area. Those of us who have reached out to Ball and made it clear this is unacceptable, our protest has been successful because we are starting to see jars coming back on the shelves. Now, I've said it before, protest, when they're done right, can be successful as we are starting to see packs of jars come back. I would say it's successful. It's going to be slow. And yes, I get it. They were overwhelmed when people started canning all at one time. They were locked up. Their spouse turned cellmate. And they realized, hey, I need something to relieve this anxiety. And they started canning and baking. So, I also need to take Razzle out and get him acclimated to room temperature again, feeding, and start getting him ready to be used in baking. Yeah, and I've got to add that to my growing to-do list. I'm also going to be rounding out my winter reading list. Now, what do you plan on reading over the winter? Because apparently we're all going to be home. Reading, doing whatever, trying not to kill each other. Of course, attorneys will be doing COVID divorces. Yeah. Alright guys, I'm going to stop here and I will see you on Sunday.